ਨਿਊ ਸਾਊਥ ਵੇਲਜ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਕੇਸਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਵੱਧਦੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਹਰ ਰੋਜ਼ 150 ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਕੇਸ ਦਰਜ ਕੀਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਅੱਜ 170 ਕੇਸ ਦਰਜ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ 3 ਜਦਕਿ ਕੁਈਨਜ਼ਲੈਂਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਕ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਪਾਏ ਜਾਣ ਤੇ ਸਕੂਲ ਨੂੰ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਿਊ ਸਾਊਥ ਵੇਲਜ਼ ਅਤੇ ਕੁਈਨਜ਼ਲੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੀਮੀਅਰਸ ਨੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੰਬੋਧਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਕਿਹਾ।
Good morning, everybody. Yesterday we had more than 95,000 people come forward for testing, which is a really good result. We need those high levels of testing to continue to make sure we're capturing all the cases of COVID, the Delta strain in the community. To 8 p.m. last night, we had 170 cases in the community. Unfortunately, at least 42 of those were infectious for that time whilst in the community, and obviously that's the number we need to see come down. That is the number that we want to see come down in order for us to have that level of freedom that all of us are desperately wanting to have. Can I stress again, please do not leave your home unless you absolutely have to. Please do not have contact with any other household. Please. We're still seeing transmission in households and workplaces as the two main places. And given the numbers of infectious in the community, we are expecting to see those numbers bounce around. Obviously today's number is considerably less than yesterday's, but don't assume that it won't be back up tomorrow, because whilst there are so many people infectious in the community, we expect to see those numbers bounce around. And what we do need is not just the stabilisation, but of course the numbers to go down. Can I please warn against anybody taking up illegal activity and protesting tomorrow? Your actions will hurt. Forget about the rest of us, but you could be taking the disease home and passing it on to your parents, your siblings, your brothers and sisters, or anybody you might have limited contact with in your workplace. Do not give those you love the most a death sentence. This Delta strain is contagious, it's deadly, and it's affecting people of all ages. But we also know in New South Wales that alongside these restrictions, our biggest weapon against the virus is vaccination. Can I please encourage everybody to come forward and get vaccinated?